I'm with Kevin Tran. We're in downtown Kansas City, in the heart, the urban core. You can hear the neighbors yelling at each other right across the street. So we are definitely in the urban core. This is a property that you wanted my opinion. Kevin's one of my students. Actually, Kevin was one of the first guys we met here in town and helped us with our changing our locks. So he's a great guy. Tell us about the property.
We picked this up for $20,000. Initially, I'm thinking about just buying whole.
20,000 bucks.
Yeah.
Where'd you find it? From a wholesaler?
Directly from seller.
Tell me the square footage and bedroom and bathroom count.
So I know that you mentioned that we should actually measure the property.
Correct.
I did not do that, so it's a mistake. But I'm looking up the record. It's about 1,400 square foot.
How many bedroom, how many bath?
Right now it has 3 bedroom and 1 bath. We are thinking about making it into 3-2 or 4-2.
So definitely want to do a 4-2. And I'm guessing you're gonna flip this one?
Yeah, initially we're going to hold, but I think now I'm trying to get my feet wet on flipping. So
170 to 200,000 sales price, correct?
ARV?
Yep.
If I'm looking at the comps right now, it's probably around 120 to 150.
No.
Okay.
Let's look right now. I know the area. If you were over there,
Yeah.
maybe. So Redfin, only houses, right? We don't want to look at lots. 94 ship box, 90 ship box, 60 ship box, 350, not realistic. 210, that's very similar. That's on a busier street.
Possibly, yeah.
You're 180 to 200. Mark my words.
Okay.
180 to 200, or 170 to 200 is what I said.
That one is about 4 blocks that way, but
I will bet you any money you'll get 170, and 200 will be a high price.
okay.
It's not, you're not close to 120. If you sell this thing for 120, you're giving away about at least $40,000, $50,000. It's a great street. Like if you look around here, it's a tree-lined street all around here. You got stuff going on. So let's go look through the whole property. All right,
Okay.
so first let's look at the exterior. You got issues right
I
here.
have issues right here.
Do you have a good mason?
Right now I don't, so there's somebody that I probably have to look for.
This is your biggest issue that I'd solve right away. That's gonna be your most expensive and your most complicated because you need to have somebody at least
To support that, yeah.
prop that up.
And then have to take all these down and break all the stone and mortar, and I have to relay everything back in to make it look original.
So this all looks good. This all
careful.
looks good right here. All the tuck pointing. You got old asbestos siding that you can just paint. You got a little bit coming out here on this side that's going to come up for a home inspection. So you got to take care of that. This is a good house. I would have paid 20 grand for this. You might be able to save some of this. It looks pretty sturdy.
I'm probably just going to replace it just to, if we are flipping it, I assume, we want to make it look new.
Paint it.
Just paint it?
Yeah, get rid of this piece. Maybe put new boards up here, but wood's expensive, man. I don't know if it's gonna, if you're gonna replace it, make a deck and build it nice. But if you're gonna just do the same thing, I would just try to make this work.
Okay.
Pressure washing and painting is gonna go a long ways. So you got new windows on this side.
Yeah, no, we got new windows for all the windows already.
So you put the new windows in already?
Correct.
This is gonna be a beautiful house, man. So what's your estimated rehab budget?
I estimate high. I estimate 100 grand.
No, I think 80 to 100 is an accurate number on this.
Yeah.
If you sold it for 120, how much would you make?
Nothing.
Right?
So I estimate 100, but I'm trying to get it done for less than that.
Yeah, I think you will be able to, but I think that's a good estimate.
I have to fix right here some.
So this is an easy fix, you know that, right?
Yeah, just fill it in.
Yep.
So we already got the house, and we started to rewire, and also doing plumbing work.
Were all the drywall down on this thing?
No, it was lath and plaster.
Why'd you gut it?
There are a lot of area that has already fallen down.
Okay.
So instead of trying to patch it up, we just got everything. Plus it doesn't have insulation anyway, so it's probably good to gut it and insulate and then drywall it.
So this is currently the living room, or like the dining room?
The dining room, and we plan to make that another bedroom back there, and then a bathroom back here. So a bathroom right here, and then a bedroom right there.
So bathroom here. Okay, what's gonna be here?
This is coming from the backyard.
Okay, so this is coming from the backyard. Are you gonna put like a pantry in here or anything?
Yeah, pantry, kitchen, like the sink is going to be on this side.
You're gonna expose this?
No, actually, what do you think? Should we expose that?
For
Probably.
sure. If it's in good shape, I would expose it, which it looks to be in. I think it'll be a nice feature versus drywalling over it.
What about the 4-inch pipe right here?
Yeah, cut that off. Oh, that pipe? Yeah.
We cannot cut it off, right? This is the main stack.
Yeah. No, I would cover that on this side, but I'd leave this part, at least part of this exposed if I could.
Okay.
I think it'll look better. People like that stuff. As long as the chimney's not falling down.
Chimney actually looks pretty good right now. My plan is actually, because the cabinet is going to come out here a little bit. Mm-hmm. So we're going to put like another cabinet like going this way or expose. We'll figure that out.
Yeah, I mean that doesn't matter.
Right.
I'm just suggesting it.
Yeah.
It really is not going to make that big of a difference.
Yeah.
So this area, you're going to open this up?
No, actually we're not opening this.
Why
up.
not?
Just the cost. Like then you have to put in like the support beams and all that stuff.
Just to go from here to maybe here?
Okay, I can see that.
You just a little bit. You don't have to go all the way, but
Right.
go to here, and then maybe just move this box to the other side right here.
Oh, no, because our stove is going to be right over here. And then the refrigerator is over there. So refrigerator, cabinet, stove. So we can't really open this wall out.
So you got your kitchen sink here,
Kitchen sink here, dishwasher.
dishwasher. What if you put an island, and you put your sink in your island, and your dishwasher in your island, then you opened it up,
Yeah,
and that's like your little thing right there.
right.
And then you put your fridge, call it here, and your stove over there. You just need a pantry area. Do you have a pantry area?
No,
You're gonna make a bathroom right there?
bathroom right in here, yeah.
All right, let's look at this side then.
We'll close this off and make it a bedroom.
What kind of, how big is the bathroom gonna be right here?
It's going to come out all the way out here.
The bathroom's gonna come all the way to here?
Yeah, like all the way.
And where's the bedroom gonna be?
I guess this bedroom is too small for here.
So what I would do is I'd build a bathroom and I'd forget your bedroom down here.
Yeah.
I'd try to create this to be maybe my laundry room / nice area. Open up your kitchen a little bit more. I would make this space right here, open this up. I'd build a wall right here.
Right.
Close this area in and make this part of your kitchen / bathroom area. So maybe they can come in through the bathroom right here, the laundry room's over there, and then you can back off some more room in there. Does that make sense?
That makes sense.
You're not gonna get a bedroom in here, it's too small.
Yeah, too small.
If somebody's gonna wanna do their laundry and stuff, you could do it in the basement, but I would think that you're gonna be better off reconfiguring that kitchen and make it a little bit better. Maybe adding your pantry here, maybe putting your bathroom right here. Because if you're sitting in the living room,
Yeah.
at least you have a place to use the bathroom.
Right.
Okay, so that's my suggestion. What I would do, now that we kind of have a different plan, is I would push my kitchen that way. That's gonna give you a way more space. So I'd push my kitchen that way. What I mean by that is I'd open this up, I'd make this a pantry, and I'd put a washer and dryer next to it. The pantry opens up from here, the washer and dryer is in the bathroom. So you can use one of these as your pantry. On the opposite side, you put a washer and dryer, and then that side, you've got a bathroom. So you enter in the bathroom from there,
Right.
you enter in the washer and dryer from there, but the pantry's on this side. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay, that's how I do it. I'd open this thing up because kitchens sell houses.
Right.
Your kitchen's too small right now. And I would suggest, if you can, I would put an island in and put the dishwasher in the island. And if you can, I think your thing is fine there,
Yeah.
but definitely try to put the dishwasher in the island. Or put your refrigerator next to your pantry,
Yeah.
whatever, but that's gonna give you more space over
Right,
here,
yeah.
doing it this way. And you're gonna have a shitty small bedroom, which isn't worth it.
Yeah.
So the only thing you could do is say, hey, well, I can make this an office, but I really think that you just make it a nice bathroom with a washer and dryer is a better decision.
Okay.
Because and I don't say take away bedrooms, but it's like, that's not really a bedroom if it's like 7x4, you know?
Do we need to go to basement?
Let's go upstairs first,
Okay.
and then we'll go to basement. You guys should have this done in a couple weeks, huh?
I wish. So that one bedroom there, second bedroom, and a third bedroom here.
That the master?
That's a master. We're gonna try to put a bathroom in here.
Definitely. So just bring this wall out. Definitely put a bedroom in here. This will be a good master if you could do that, because you have a good sized closet over there. Bring this out maybe another 2 feet. You'll still have a decent sized bedroom, I believe.
The closet here is like share closet, like one on this side, one on this side.
So that's one closet for this side.
Yeah, and then one closet for that side, yeah.
Put another closet right here, and then just this half, bump this wall out, so this door, goes right up to the wall here, and then this would be your bathroom right here.
I would do the whole thing as a bathroom. Yeah, because you like put a linen closet. I mean, because otherwise you want symmetry, right? That's not very if this area's out and this one's in, it's not as symmetrical. It's going to seem odd. If you bump the whole part out, you could still do a closet that way, but it'll at least look symmetrical. Because if I'm walking in and I'm like, oh, why does it go like that?
Yeah.
Just take it to the window frame. That's as far as you can go anyways.
Yeah.
That's gonna give you enough space. And just put a nice shower in there, put a toilet on that side, and put a sink
in the middle.
So you're pooping over here, you're not gonna hit anything, it's gonna be nice. And then you're taking a shower over here, it's gonna be nice. And then, that's what I would do. Okay, so I like this plan. Ideally, if I was you, did you guys do the roof already?
Yeah.
Something that you could do, but it's gonna be too expensive for you in this one, is normally like vault these things all the way to the top. Because that really makes things look big, but I don't think I would do it on this property. Bedroom,
Bathroom, closet.
yeah. I just keep it the way it is then. Everything else looks good.
Yeah.
I wouldn't change this floor plan any more than that. This is the best option for you. Yeah, so I think you got a 3-2.
Yeah.
I think that's okay. But you can come up here too, huh?
Yep, there's attic up there. There's big space. We could make another bedroom up here, but...
Nah, it's gonna be too complicated. I mean, this would be nice if you can. It's just not gonna be worth it for this neighborhood.
Basement is just basement, so...
Don't take down this drywall. Yeah, I mean, you got an extra washer and dryer. I'd probably try to make this just an extra washer and dryer area. Maybe wall this off a little bit. Is that the old gas line?
Gas line, yeah.
So that's not the new one?
We don't have a gas line yet. So there's a line outside. So it looks like it has like 2 of this. There's one outside and then there's one inside.
So make sure you cut this up, clean this up, dry lock all this basement.
Yeah.
Spray it white, spray the ceilings black. You got a drain area right here, it looks like, or all the water comes to this area. Who did the electrical?
Jose.
So he put a 200 amp panel in there?
Yep. Nothing too special down here. There's a basement,
Just a basement. Yeah, I think you kind of got what you got. I mean, you might need to address some of this ductwork by just wrapping it. You know what I mean? You know, that insulation. So I think you still get 170, 200. You're still gonna be here in a while. You at least got 6 months in here, it looks like.
Yeah, at least.
Yeah.
At least.
I think, getting your floor plan right, which I think that floor plan is the one I would execute on.
Yeah.
What I told you, it'll work. Now that you got all your electrical, got all your plumbing, you just need your HVAC guy in here, right?
Yeah.
So, and then you can close the walls in and start getting to work.
Right.
Do you have a drywall guy?
I do.
Let me know what he charges you for this one.
Okay. And I want to know your $1,000 exterior paint guy. You have one, right?
Yeah, I mean, he probably charged you like $1,500 for this one.
15 is still better.
Yeah.
I don't think I can get 15 anywhere from my own contact.
I mean, it's not gonna be like scraping it down. It's gonna be a blow and go, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Do they caulk though?
I'm sure you can get him to caulk.
Okay. I mean, it's not really a lot need to be scraped down. It looks pretty.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
The siding looks pretty good. You know, there's no peeling, nothing. So.
Yeah, I don't think you'll have a problem getting it done for $1,500.
Yeah, just like caulking and.
Yeah.
And replace.
Because think about it, all they gotta do to paint it is they gotta show up with a sprayer.
Yeah.
Tape some things off. They'll be done in a day, right?
Yeah.
I mean,
maybe 2 days.
Okay, so let's say in 2 days. How many people do you think it's gonna take to do it? One person,
One
two
person.
people? So if you're making $750 today, it's pretty good living.
Yeah.
You're paying for the paint. I would start them at $1,000 and work my way up to $1,500.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can give you a guy for that.
Okay.
For them, this is kind of like, it's like trash out money.
Yeah.
Painting exterior is easy. Inside, probably need a little bit more prep work and stuff like that,
Yeah.
depending on who your drywallers are.
But I say the most expensive one is that column right there.
You need to find somebody who knows what the hell they're doing too. Like that's gotta be, because it's kicking out, and that would be the first issue that I would address for sure. And then once that issue's addressed, then deal with everything else. Oh, I noticed you put lighting up already, and a security camera.
Security camera.
Security cameras run off solar.
Yeah.
So if the security cameras run off solar, is it motion too?
Yeah.
So you see anything coming by here?
Yeah.
And it pings you on your phone?
Uh-huh.
How much is that setup?
2 cameras is about $80
So you got a camera here and then on the back?
right there in front.
Okay.
I probably need to get a couple more.
So can I get in through the back without getting on camera?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. So maybe a camera on the back, right?
Yeah.
But this is a good idea. I like this.
Yeah.
Do you
And
think-
then I don't have power here, so we're using a prepaid phone hotspot to connect the internet.
Where's the prepaid phone?
It's inside.
That's smart. I just learned something. It's a good idea because you never have Wi-Fi,
Yeah.
and so you have to set up Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
But what you did is you used your brain.
Yeah.
You got a prepaid phone
Yeah.
running off Wi-Fi
Yeah.
that powers all the phones.
Right.
Have you caught anybody on here?
Not yet.
Can you talk out of this thing?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
I can show it to you.
Yeah, let's check it out. Kevin's smart. He figures all this shit out on his own.
Well, I guess the phone is probably off right now.
Oh.
So I guess we need to charge it.
Okay, so there's the flaw. So what you need is a battery pack for
Battery
it.
pack, yeah.
So you need a battery pack for that thing, and then
And
you're.
then swap out the battery pack.
That's
Yeah.
right, because that'll last you a long time, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise, you're just with. Okay, so we did find the flaw in the system. Phone's out of juice. System's down. So all right, man. So what do you think it's gonna sell for?
You think it's 170 to 200?
Minimum 170.
I like that.